This is Lines with Insulation Plus here in Port Huron, Michigan. There's one aspect to this company that just stood out to us, and that's your maintenance guy. Tell us a little bit about this.
Yeah, so we have a maintenance guy here named Dave, and Dave's responsibility primarily, among other things, is to maintain all of our equipment and help us to reduce downtime. So when we have something, whether it's a cellulose machine or a spray foam machine or gun parts and things that need to be cleaned or maintained on a monthly basis, or generators that need to be ran, Dave's our guy for that. And sometimes those things go down intermittently, and so basically he stops everything else that he's doing to do those, and other times it's just on the schedule. But again, that keeps us, from when we do have a problem with a generator on the blow truck, our spare generator we know is up and running correctly and ready to go because Dave's been running it every month just like his maintenance schedule tells him.
Thank you for taking your time with us.
Yeah, thank you.